Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam and I'm back today with another Trader Joe's haul. It's been about 3 weeks since I last went, so I really did need to go grocery shopping, so I went to Trader Joe's and Costco actually and picked up some items that I needed for the next couple weeks. And then 4th of July weekend is coming up, so by the time you'll see this, it's already been 4th of July, but I did need to just pick up some things for a barbecue that my husband and I are just gonna have on our own. So if you guys love Trader Joe's, if you love hauls, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing I want to share with you are these eucalyptus stems that I got. And I got this because I have been seeing a lot of people do this shower trick. And so what they do is they'll tie two of these together and then drape it right over their shower head. And what that does is that it just gives a really nice fragrance of eucalyptus while you're showering because it's hot. The steam from it just kind of encapsulates you in that smell. So I'm excited. I want to try it out, and these are pretty inexpensive. They're $2.99 each, so I figured why not try it out? And I heard that it lasts 2 to 3 weeks, maybe even a month, so I will let you know. So let's go ahead and start with the freezer and fridge items first. Right at top, I've got some shredded carrots. Nothing really special. Love to just add this to salads to bulk it up, but really, I've shared this before. Light Havarti cheese. We are going to be making burgers for the 4th of July, so I just picked this up for that. Got the mild salsa, the fresh one that you find in the fridge section. And honestly, my husband got this one because he thought the medium one was a little too spicy, which I liked, but I went ahead and got the mild one for him. Okay, honestly, no idea why I got this. These are turkey corn dogs, but they're a little bit healthier. The hot dog at least is nitrate free, so that's nice. But yeah, there's what, 4 of them, and they're not that big. Want to relive my childhood by having a corn dog. Next up, I've got this chimichurri rice with vegetables. This looks really good if I need like a side dish of rice really quickly. I figured this is in the freezer. I could just fry it up a little bit with maybe a little bit of just sprayed olive oil or avocado oil. But yeah, it's Peruvian style, never had it, so I figured why not try it out. These crumpets, and I think I've shared these crumpets before. They're about 100 calories each, which is nice because it's a quick little snack that I can have. And I can put butter and jelly on top, or I can put peanut butter, maybe Nutella if you want a sweeter kind of dessert-like treat for yourself. But yeah, there are like 6 of them, and I thought, why not try it again? I did like them the first time. They're really, really nice and spongy and soft. So if you like that, then you're gonna really like these. Some barbecue teriyaki chicken. This is pretty good, but it doesn't have too many crazy ingredients. So if I need to make dinner on a pinch, this is great because all I do is just put it on the stovetop, heat it up, and yeah, add the sauce and you are ready to go. I've got also to pair with it chicken fried rice. This is really good. They also have a vegetable one if you're interested in that. But yeah, this is just quick dinner ideas in case I'm just not feeling it. All right, and the last item in the bag is this chili lime chicken burgers. This is for the barbecue again that we're gonna have, and figured this is nice and easy. Just throw it on the grill, cook it up, and yeah. Also got some burger buns to make those burgers. Just got the whole wheat one. Really just needed whatever they had. They just had a whole wheat one and then a regular white one if in case you don't like whole wheat. Okay, so we went to Trader Joe's after lunch and I figured why not grab some items for dinner. So my husband wanted some kettle cooked chicken soup, which is all done because we had it for dinner already. But this is really good actually. I really liked it. And it's chicken raised without antibiotics. So made in small batches with chicken, fresh vegetables, and herbs. And this actually makes me want to just make a big batch of some noodle soup, noodle vegetable soup, maybe add chicken. But yeah, this was really good. So I highly recommend if you like more adult version chicken noodle soup and not the ones in the can. My husband also picked up this Chinese inspired salad with chicken. I've had this before. It's really good, very, very low in calorie in case you are interested in keeping things a little bit more on the healthier side. $2.70 for the entire package, which is quite the steal. All right, I'm not much of a kind of caffeine girl. I usually like my herbal teas, but I did want to just pick up a box of decaf coffee cups in case I wanted some coffee but I didn't really want the caffeine. This is great. We don't have a Keurig machine or anything like that. If you just poke a hole on the top and bottom of these, you can honestly just pour hot water through it and just filter it that way and get that taste. So not the best quality, to be honest, but I don't really have coffee that often. I just kind of like the flavor of it once in a while, so decided to pick this up. Okay, this I've been hearing so much about. This is honey Aleppo sauce. And I heard that it's just really good, kind of like chipotle peppers, a sweet, savory, tangy, and slightly spicy all-purpose sauce. So I figured this would be great as a marinade for tofu, anything really, or as like a dressing, or yeah. So I think there's tons of uses out of this, so I'm really excited to try this out. I always like to keep these on hand. These are just little tiny cans of green chilies that are diced, and I love to add this into chilies, into soups, into anything really, stir fries, and I didn't have any on hand, so I wanted to just pick up a couple to keep in stock. I use coconut milk so much, curries especially, because it's just a lighter option and you don't feel as crazy guilty, and it's just good flavor and it's not as heavy as cream is. So always like to just pick up some reduced fat coconut milk, and honestly Trader Joe's prices cannot be beaten. Okay, and the last item in here is actually ginger beer. So ginger beer is non-alcoholic, and so this one is actually really cool. It's 0 sugar, which is awesome, but you know, I don't like having too much of the aspartame or that type of fake sugar. This one is actually sweetened with a blend of erythritol, stevia, and monk fruit. So all of the natural sweeteners that don't spike your blood level sugars. So this is awesome. I don't know why I haven't picked it up before, but yeah, I'm excited. I figured the burgers, some of this ginger beer, why not? Okay, next up I've got a loaf of sourdough, just a whole wheat loaf. This is what I get usually on whenever I do go to Trader Joe's. We stick it in the freezer and it's good for a long time. This is something that I haven't tried before. It's the elote corn dip chips, or dippers, but I've never tried this, so I figured why not give this a try. And actually, a little taste test on camera. Ooh, I don't know if you can see this, but let's see if it can focus. Look at all that seasoning on it. And if you're not familiar with elotes, they're corn that's covered in mayo, Parmesan cheese, tahini seasoning, black pepper. Oh, it's delicious. Wow. Slightly on the salty side. I don't know what it is, but I find a lot of chips to be salty now, but really good. Definitely has a kick to it, a tiny kick at the back of your mouth, but really good corn chips that have just kind of like an extra flair with that elote seasoning, but really good. I can see this being really good with like guacamole, salsa, so okay. Pretty good. Got a can of this masala simmer sauce. Honestly, such a good sauce. And what I like to do with this is add a can of some reduced fat coconut milk, tons of veggies, ton of tofu, and it's a really easy curry. And all you need to cook is some rice on the side and you are good. Dinner is served. But yeah, it's been one of my really easy go-to quick dinner ideas. All right, got some coffee for my husband. This is the barista espresso that I don't think I've ever gotten him. So just grab this, and yeah, just making our way through all the different flavors of the coffees that they have. Okay, I still can't find the watermelon sparkling drink, so I just grabbed another one of these strawberry ones, just because my sister likes this, and so whenever she does come over, I like to have it, because she's always complaining. Actually, not just her, but everyone just complains about how I only have sparkling water. So for those people, I like to get something a little bit different. All right, and the last item I got was this 100% ginger tea. I love the flavor of ginger when it's in my tea, so I figured I would love this. And I don't know, I just figured why not give it a try? It's 100% ginger, which, you know, honestly, I could probably just make this with fresh ginger on hand, but I just picked it up out of convenience. All right, there you guys go. That is my quick haul from Trader Joe's. Didn't grab too many things, but just wanted to pick up some essentials for a good barbecue. So if you guys love Trader Joe's, if you love hauls, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.